Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2020 Eastern National, AACA Eastern National. Now this event is closed because of COVID, but I'm still bringing you some very interesting cars from this show. Check out this Chevy Fleetline. Now the one thing which I really want to bring up, I love the two-toning. This is a heavily optioned car with the driving lights, with the overriders, the bumper overriders, the custom hood ornament, and don't worry, I'll get the Kaiser there in the background. But of course, look at the obvious. This has the wood kit on it. This is fantastic. Now if you notice the way how it's actually screwed on there, this one is steeled back there. That's all the nylock over there, the stick-on wood. But you see each piece, the way how it's made? Now these are kits which were available back then for various cars. I've done a video like this at Hershey. Fascinating, absolutely a fascinating car because of this Suburban kit. The Fleetline itself is a beautiful car, and this particular car, being the National, is the cream de la crop. Heavily optioned, just beautiful. That is great. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2020 AACA East Coast National. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. I'll see you at the shows.